Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Programming Packs. Today we will see how to download and install Maven. Okay, so first, what is Maven? Maven is a build automation tool used primarily for Java, C Sharp, Ruby, Scala, and other language projects. Okay, so in this video, we'll not go for detailed discussion of what is Maven and how Maven help to be a build tool for projects. Okay, I will make a detailed videos, so how to create projects with Maven and how to create a build of our projects. Okay, so first our step is how to download and install Maven. Okay, so first we have requirements. We should have Windows 10 and we have should have JDK 1.8 installed and we have should have Maven 3.6.3 installed in our system. Okay, so first you should check like I'm working on Windows 10. Okay, right now. So then I'll check JDK 1.8 installed in my system or not. I'll go to my um, okay, I'll go to my system advanced system settings, right? And then I'll go to environment variable and I'll check. I like JDK 1.8 is installed in my system. Okay, that requirement is also done. Okay, so then uh, then I have to install Maven, right? So I'll write over there download Maven for Windows. So Maven is developed by the Apache Software Foundation. Okay, so that bring me to the Apache organization site. Okay, so then now we are inside. So it will show about what is Maven. You can read about it. Okay, what are the primary goals, making the build, what are the features. Okay, so for now we are downloading folder. Okay, so it's also tells the system requirements. Like I'll install JDK 1.8, so it can work from JDK 1.7 as well. But so JDK 1.8 is better to install. Memory, disk, operating system. So we'll go to the downloading link. So it giving download link over here. Okay, Apache Maven 3.6.3 bin.zip. So I'll click on that and it will download. See, it's a download in my system. Okay, so it's already downloaded in my system. Okay, so I'll so in my Hemant folder. Okay, so you can see, and so it's Apache Maven. So I have unzip it and that make a folder of that. Okay, so you can see in this folder we have these different bin, boot configuration, lib, all these folders of Apache Maven. So for install, it means we have to set up some paths on our environment variable. Okay, so same, you can go to the advanced system settings. Okay, then go to environment variable, and then you can provide your like run system variable. Go to new. Okay, you have to write Maven home. Okay, and you have to go to that till that for Apache Maven folder. Okay, where you can see all the folders over there. Okay, Control C, and then you can go to where variable value. You can put that value in your variable value. Okay, and then print. Okay, okay. So our next and final step would be go to path, edit, right? And then you can give that Maven bin, right? So you new and you have to give the path to your bin. Okay. So click OK. Okay. And then we are okay. So now of that, now we have installed means we have set up paths in our system. So we have to check like uh, if Maven is installed or not correctly, right? So how we'll do that? We'll do that. We write Maven version. Okay, so I'll click it and see Apache Maven 3.6. It's in my installed my system. It's telling me Maven home. It was Java version installed on Java version 1.8. Default local OS name using Windows 10 version 10.0. You can get all the information. Okay, so that's how we will install, download and install Maven. Okay, thank you guys. Please keep subscribing and sharing my videos to your friends and let me know how do you like it in comments. Okay. Tell me in which topic you want me to make a video. Okay. Thanks, guys. Please keep supporting. Please keep subscribing. Okay. Thank you. Thank you for viewing my channel, Programming Packs. Thanks. Bye. Have a nice day.